Ah, why are you so... Oh, Don! Why are you so changing your mind? Kiss, 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 ah. There. Uy! Careful. Hi, Tondo. Hmm? Kaya, oy, put it down. Give to Nina. Give to Nina. Ryan, are you gonna tell us a story?
Oops! I heard something.
Oy, oh no, don't touch that. Do not touch that. It's so zoomed in. Ryan, tell us a story. A fascinating one.
Ah!
Don't take my phone.
Ate, watch her sa ha?
Yeah, sure.
Ha?
Rowena, Rowena, you should tell us a story. Ay, Miko. Hey, Ate Ruby. Ryan, huy ako. Oh, bantay na ako. Rowena, so, are you gonna tell us a story? Can you tell me another story? Or you wanna kick the band like, Rowena, are you gonna tell us a story? Are you gonna tell us a story? Are you gonna tell us a story? Na na na, na na na. Raina,
Rhina! Story!
Raina, are you gonna DQ?
Rhina is a little shy yet.
Are you camera shy, Raina? Yes, okay. Raina. Up here. She was like screaming and talking, and now she's so silent. It's because your auntie is not here. Auntie was not here.
It's lunchtime now.
Yeah. Auntie ko, Raina is so silent when you're not
Ate
here.
will buy ko. Are you hungry na? Ate is going to buy pa.
You will sleep at still?
Yes, it's okay na. Ate will buy.
You will not sleep na lang?
Diba, you will grow fast.
No.
You grow tall.
I don't like
Yeah, sure.
What's the importance of sleeping in the afternoon?
I don't know.
Do you sleep in the afternoon before?
Before long. Like Micah's age, so yeah. It's required for you, Micah, because you are also very young. But for me, I'm already elder, so I don't need nap time. Why are you so quiet all of a
I
sudden?
don't like.
Is Achi here yet?
Oh God. I want a pub.
Hi!
Hey!
Hurry!
Oh, oh, that happened? Are you kidding me? No way, that did not just happen.
Raina.
See?
Is that YouTube?
No.
How to play it? Nothing.
It's just like a music video thing.
Oh, the boys! Okay.
I'm gonna go downstairs now and eat lunch, but I'll be right back. Oh wait, lunch is here. So right now we are about to go. Don, come here now.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
We'll miss you.
Bye, Derby. What do you mean?
Bye-bye.
Wait, where's Mateo?
Picture of remembrance.
I already have many pictures of you in the iPad.
Like at the Ruby, remember?
Wait, pwede ako masod with my shoes? Ano ako?
Sorry, Miko, but I have to hug. Kiss so dramatic. Kiss.
Drama kayo, kamay ko.
Next year na sad sila makabalik diri may ka-imagine. Bye. Bye, Mark.
Bye! Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And if you heard my car, yeah, they are coming. And they're gonna come over. Yeah, okay. Micah, your jacket! I got her a jacket. This is actually from Misa. Micah, your jacket! Micah, I have another remembrance. My jacket! The jacket, you forgot to get it. That's yours. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Mat. Okay. So yeah, they're gonna come over somewhere, probably. I'm wearing a thin cardigan for me and jeans for my sister. Okay. I'm wearing my Davao shirt. And yeah. Why do I feel so... We're in TransAsia. My mom. And good thing about TransAsia is that